Have you ever wondered if a simple act of kindness could change your destiny? Today, we uncover a profound truth. God desires us to be kind, not just for others, but for our own spiritual journey and the unfolding of His divine plan in our lives. Get ready to be inspired. Our journey begins with a powerful truth from Ephesians 4:32. And be ye kind one to another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, even as God for Christ's sake hath forgiven you. This isn't just a suggestion. It's a divine command, a reflection of God's very nature. He is the ultimate example of kindness, extending grace and forgiveness to us when we least deserved it. As believers, we are called to mirror this divine attribute. Kindness is a cornerstone of our faith, a tangible expression of the love that dwells within us. It transforms hearts, builds bridges, and truly reflects the light of Christ in a world often shrouded in darkness. Let's turn to the remarkable story of Rahab in Joshua 2:1-24. Here we see a woman, an outsider, who chose kindness in a moment of great risk. She harbored the Israelite spies, defying her own people and putting her life on the line. Her act was not born of convenience, but of a deep conviction in the God of Israel. Rahab's kindness was a seed sown in faith. It led to the salvation of her entire family when Jericho fell. More profoundly, it secured her place in the lineage of Jesus Christ and in the hall of faith, Hebrews 11:31. Her story reminds us that God often uses the most unexpected people and circumstances to demonstrate His power and reward faithfulness. How often do we miss divine appointments because we fail to extend simple courtesy? Hebrews 13:2 reminds us, "Be not forgetful to entertain strangers, for thereby some have entertained angels unawares." Every interaction is an opportunity to show God's love. A harsh word, a dismissive tone, or a quick judgment can close a door God intended to open. Consider the story of a phone call, seemingly a wrong number that turned into a divine provision. A simple, kind response to a stranger on the line opened the way for God to answer a prayer for $50. Imagine if harshness had prevailed. God works in mysterious ways, and our kindness can be the very key that unlocks His blessings. Proverbs 31:26 speaks of the virtuous woman who opens her mouth with wisdom, and on her tongue is the law of kindness. Our words carry immense power. They can build up or tear down, inspire hope or inflict pain. As believers, our speech should always be seasoned with grace, reflecting the love and compassion of Christ. Let your words be a source of encouragement, a balm to weary souls. Sow seeds of kindness with every conversation, every text, every interaction. Remember, what we sow, we shall surely reap. A kind word can be a lifeline, a beacon of hope in someone's darkest hour. For personal growth, commit to daily acts of kindness, no matter how small. For family devotion, discuss Rahab's story and brainstorm ways your family can show kindness to neighbors, friends, and even strangers. In our church services, let us be known as a community overflowing with tender-heartedness and forgiveness. Let us pray that we never miss God's blessings because of a lack of kindness. May our lives be living testimonies of His love, radiating warmth and compassion to everyone we encounter. Are you ready to embrace a life overflowing with God's kindness? We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring messages that will deepen your faith. Share this message with your loved ones, comment below with your own stories of kindness, and like this video to spread the light. Let's commit to being agents of God's love, transforming our world one act of kindness at a time. This was put together by Dr. Prince Emmanuel Benson, aka MOG. For more devotional messages, click on the link on my bio.